Once upon a time, in a forest filled with tall trees and colorful flowers, lived a little porcupine named Quill. Quill was known for his prickly quills and his kind heart. One day, Quill noticed a small bird had fallen from its nest. The bird was stuck in a thorny bush. Quill, with his long, flexible tail, carefully reached out and gently untangled the bird. The bird, grateful for Quill's help, sang a beautiful song. The melody was so lovely that it made Quill and all the forest creatures dance and twirl. From that day forward, Quill became the friend of every bird in the forest. He would help them whenever they were in trouble. He learned that kindness can turn strangers into friends and his prickly quills into tools for helping others. One night, as Quill lay in his burrow, he felt proud of himself for being kind and helpful. He closed his eyes, ready for a peaceful sleep, knowing that he had made a difference in the lives of others. The end. This story teaches children the importance of kindness and how small acts can have a big impact. It's a story that will make children smile and inspire them to be kind to others.